Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a relaxing Sunday morning cleaning routine with me. It's a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of motherhood, just kind of what we do on Sundays. It's basically the same as every other day. I just do a little bit of cleaning in the morning on Sundays just to kind of get my house nice and fresh and just like ready to relax for the rest of the day, because that's what Sundays are all about, is relaxing, hanging out with your family. So I like to do this stuff right in the morning, that way I have the rest of the day to chill. I'm just starting out with getting my breakfast ready. I was having 2 waffles, a chai tea latte, and then I was making my daughter her yogurt that she eats every single morning. So that is how we are starting off our Sunday.
She came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Let me know down in the comments what your Sundays look like, whether you clean or you just kind of stay in your pajamas all day. Let me know, because I would really love to know how you guys spend your Sundays.
And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you.
If you're new to my channel, then welcome. That is my 18-month-old daughter, Evelyn, and that is our almost 4-year-old German Shepherd, Rex. We also have another one. Her name is Stella. She doesn't like to come inside for some reason, so she just chills outside all day, but Rex sleeps in the house, so he's always with us in the mornings. Next, I'm going ahead and doing this blend. It's one of my favorites. It's thieves, lemon, and lavender. It kind of just makes your house start smelling nice and fresh, and it gets you motivated for the day. I also love doing like an evening blend to kind of wind down for the day. So I always like to do my diffusing in the morning or at nighttime. If you guys ever have any questions about Young Living, feel free to ask me down below or DM me on Instagram. I would answer any questions that you have. Next, I'm going ahead and putting on my happy roller that my friend from YouTube, Kristen at Life Made Simple, she made this for me. So I put that on every single morning. This just happened to be in the routine right now, but this is going to go ahead and diffuse. Next, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen table from breakfast.
That's how you know you've been in love.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
I always love having our dog Rex inside with us in the morning, because he kind of helps me clean up Evelyn's mess that she gets everywhere. Luckily this morning she was eating just yogurt, so she kind of didn't make a mess anywhere, but when she has like waffles or pancake, she has a piece for herself and then gives a piece to the dog. So he's always there to help me clean up her mess that she makes. Next, I'm going ahead and just cleaning off this table, and I'm going to go ahead and light this lavender vanilla candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells so heavenly, and it's the perfect candle to light on your relaxing Sunday morning.
Here forever, forever, forever.
So one area I really wanted to clean in my house was my kitchen. I just wanted to get this all nice and clean so that throughout the day I didn't have to look at it and wish I was cleaning it or whatever. So I just went ahead and cleaned it this morning. That way I could spend the afternoon with my daughter. So I'm just going around and wiping everything down, picking everything up off the countertops. I have like a few dishes that I need to put into the dishwasher. You know, just all of the regular kitchen cleaning.
Can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes.
So in my last few videos, I've been getting a lot of compliments on my kitchen sink from my new subscribers here. And I just wanted to say thank you. I absolutely love this sink. I was so excited when I was able to, when the kitchen plan came with a farm sink. I was so excited. I was confused at first because I thought, I don't know why, I just didn't realize that you could have like a white kitchen sink. I really thought it was going to be stainless steel. So when it came in and it was white, I was kind of thrown off. And then once I saw it in the kitchen, I was like, oh my God, yes, I absolutely love this. Thank God it's white and not stainless steel. It is pretty tough to keep clean. I do scrub this sink probably 3 times a day if I'm being honest. I don't want it to get stained or like look wore down or anything like that. So I'm always constantly cleaning it. But I just wanted to say thank you for all the compliments I have been getting on this sink.
Not for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
For some reason, I couldn't figure out what also went on the runner on the stove, and I'm like sitting here, I still can't remember what I used to put on top of that. So I just went ahead and grabbed that plant that I got from Dollar General and just kind of threw it on there because it needed something, but I actually really like how it turned out, and I think I'm going to leave it there.
At me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired.
The last thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is just sweep up the floor, and then there was like one big spot on the ground that I needed to clean up. So I'm just taking my Mrs. Meyer spray. I'm going to wipe that up just because it was bothering me a ton. This floor I just cleaned the other day. I clean this floor probably 2 to 3 times a week just because it gets so messy with Evelyn being in here, our dogs, my husband. So I need to go ahead and get up that spot. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start some laundry. I just need to switch over all of the washed clothes to the dryer and then put another load in and then start folding the clothes that came out of the dryer.
When I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand.
So you know you're a mom when you have to stop folding clothes to do some bubbles for your daughter who is standing at your feet screaming at you to blow some bubbles for her. So bubbles are like her new thing. They are something that we do a few times a day inside our home or outside if it's warm. She absolutely loves them. She doesn't like to try and pop them or anything. She just likes when they kind of hit her in the face and stuff. She thinks it's hilarious. So bubbles are a must in our house. But next that I'm done doing laundry, Sunday is usually my main laundry day. I try to get as many loads done as possible throughout the day. That way I can just kind of relax for the first few days of the week and not have to worry about that. So Sunday is definitely our laundry day. Now I'm going ahead and making our bed. This is something that I do every single day. Every single day I clean our room as well. I always like to have my room cleaned. It's like the one room in my house that is always clean, and I love being able to go into it and have it nice and clean and fresh and just like a little break for a little bit. So always cleaning my room, which is a positive thing that I have been doing.
Trying to figure you out, I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see.
So to finish up this Sunday cleaning, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum up our bedroom, and that is going to be pretty much it for this relaxing Sunday morning cleaning routine.
Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it brought you some relaxing cleaning motivation. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out here on my channel. And if you guys are not already subscribed, I would really love it if you did, if you joined our little community that we have here. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you all are doing really well and you guys have a great week coming up. I posted this on Monday, so happy Monday, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
Kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.